good? This is Justin, aka Demonic Sweaters, here with a vintage gear review, and I just picked up this amazing ride cymbal. If you can't tell by now, I'm a huge Paiste fan. I love Paiste cymbals, and especially the vintage Paiste cymbals. And this right here is a Paiste 2000 20-inch power ride, and this cymbal sounds amazing. I think this is now my favorite ride. I've only just had it. It's the first day of playing it. But back when I played in Lincoln years and years ago, back in the 1990s, I had a 22-inch Paiste 3000 power ride, and that ride sounded incredible. I remember loving it. The 3000s were made at the same time as the 2000s. They both came out, I think, in the late 80s or mid 80s to the early 90s. Basically what they did is they discontinued the 2002 line for a time being and broke it up into two different series. They had the 2000 and they had the 3000, and they were just they were both high-end cymbals. Like the 3000s weren't really any cheaper or any more expensive than the 2000s, and they just sounded a little different. They had different hammering, and the 2000s actually look, if you look at a 2000, the hammering looks more similar to, in my, to my eyes, more similar to the 2002s, where the 3000s had much larger diameter hammering marks on them. But both of them sound great. So this one sounds really incredible, and I just thought I would do a little demo of it for you, and I'll shut up now and just play the cymbal. So here we go.